Hello guys, look what we have here. It's a TC870 CEPB, CEPA, so RS3 generation 1, TTRS generation 1 version with a pressure actuator, adapter bracket to be controlled like the old models need to have it. And now there's the next new product coming. We have a 90mm turbo inlet pipe designed to fit on the 870 XT, which goes in 90mm all the way to the top. It has the standard recirculation points, and as you can see, the flow inside again is amazing. So that's one of our newest products, which completes the 870 family on the old steel block engines, and we have it in stock in big numbers, more than 30 units in stock, so you can get your HPerformance inlet for your 870 XT if you want to run it on a steel block and make real great power numbers with our world record champion here and the most reliable hybrid that's out there. So if you have any questions or if you want to order any of these kits, just let us know via info@hperformance.de.